Hey everybody, this is Paige from Mosaic Moments, and in this video I am introducing the Scallop Frame Die Set, and I will be showing a quick tutorial with this layout here. As you can see, my page is not finished yet, so I will be filling the rest with the scallop frames. This set comes with a 4x4 square size die, a 2x2 size, and a 1x1 size. All of these will be used in this tutorial. Let's get started. Right now I'm going to create this look with the 4x4 scallop die. First I'm going to create the frame part, so I'm just cutting the die through my machine as shown here, and the paper got stuck, so I'm using my tweezers, and there it is, really quick to get it out, the frame. Now I'm going to, so there's an outline on this die, so I'm going to cut that part next. So again, it gets stuck, so I'll pop it with my tweezers, and there it is, my outline. And last, I'm cutting my photo as well. So I usually want to be more careful with my photos. I'm making sure it's centered the way I want, and I'm checking the back to make sure it'll cut in the right spot I want it to. Sometimes I'll cut it and it'll accidentally be too short or something because I didn't get it right. So there's my photo. Okay, so now I get to piece them all together. First I'm gluing down the main part of the frame, and this fits right on the grid paper. And as you can see, it fits perfectly on there. Next, I'm going to put in my outline, and what I like about the outline is it helps your photo to pop more. If you're using a 4x6 photo, you will definitely need the outline part because the photo is too small to fit in that space on its own. If you don't want the outline, I recommend printing out a 5x7 instead to go underneath the frame section. And last is my photo, pretty easy to glue down, and then I'm just going to stick it right in the center. And it's all done. Because this die is large, it's actually really easy to put together, so it is really fast and easy to get done. So now I'm going to show how to create this look with a 2x2 die. To start, I'm using my 2x2 scallop frame die to cut the frame part that will fit right on the grid. So I rolled it through the machine, and I need to use my tweezers to get the frame out. And there it is. Next, I'm going to make the outline piece. So I'm rolling it through, and the outline piece on this die is really thin. I'm going to use my tweezers to get it out, but you want to be careful because you'll see in a moment it is really small and could easily tear, so be careful. And there it is. So I already pre-cut my photo, and I'm just showing you an option here that you can cut the photo to fit the grid and have the frame put on top, and I could be happy with this, and this is one option, but I wanted to match the other two photos, so I'm going to add my outline piece. I already put the glue on the back, but as you can see, it's really thin, so be careful, as I said before, but it actually looks really nice with the photo. I really like it. I think it helps the photo to pop a little more. For the last part, I'm going to be making these 1-inch squares with the scallop die. This set only comes with one 1-inch square scallop die. Some sets come with two, but this one unfortunately only comes with one. Right now I'm going to keep the center piece just to show you one idea, but for this layout I'm mainly going to use this frame piece. With the center piece, and I'm going to flip it over on the back, I'm just showing you how you can already cut 1-inch squares and then just place the centerpiece on top. You can use this with photos or pattern paper, and that's one cute way you can use the 1-inch square die. Before my layout, I'm gonna first fill in these 1-inch squares with some fun pattern paper. I'm just using a punch, but you can also use the 1-inch square die from set A. I'm gonna glue these down and they will fit right on the grid paper. So I put my 1-inch frames through my Xyron sticker machine, so it was just much easier to glue them down that way. And right now I'm just gonna stick them over the 1-inch squares, and yeah, I think it's cute. I like how the flower kind of like shows through there. It's a fun look. So now my layout is finally finished. I really like the Scallop Frame Dies. I like how they highlight your photos better and make them pop a little more. So I hope you enjoy scrapping with these at home. Thanks for watching, and see more on mosaicmoments.com.